Now, if you like flowers, I have a load of flowers. I love to do flowers. They're full of color, they're full of life. And so at this show, I have a little flower wall that I like to put up. And this one has a good variety of flowers. So this has my tulip pop, which is a big guy. See how large that one is. And then we have bleeding heart down here. And then we have poppies, orange poppies, which are my favorite flower. And we have one version of a sunflower. I have more. Here's another poppy piece with the blue sky instead of the black. We have daisies, and then I have another daisy, which is a Gerber daisy, and this one is done on glass, so you can see how it looks with light behind it and then with light not behind it. I also have another sunflower over here. So I like to do sunflowers. They're always a very, very popular flower, but I like to make variations of them as well. So those are just some of the flowers that I have. But then I also have the do-it-yourself kit, which is this flower here in orange and yellow. We also have white and pink available on that one. So if you love flowers, come on and get you one.